Next, sewer, truth or myth. Okay. The main sewer system is separate from the other drains in your property.
True.
False.
Why?
You have to look at your main sewer system as if it's a tree trunk. All the branches of all the drains connect to your main sewer system. What you put in one branch, it affects the trunk. So that's why you always have to be cognizant of that. As a matter of fact, people are mistaken all the time when they have a clog. They think the clog is where the water's backing up. That's just actually the lowest point because water seeks its own level, or it's the point of least resistance. So you can have your toilet backing up and the clog isn't in your toilet. It could be many feet away. You can have a shower backing up because that's the lowest drain. It's going to back out of the shower.
Right.
You can have, it could be your main sewer line clogged 75 feet away. That's also why you should call a professional frequently to take care of blockages.
That makes sense.
Thank you.
It does.
Sewer, truth or myth? It's another garbage disposal question.
Okay.
All right? You have a garbage disposal. I did a stutter. Is it safe and acceptable to place scraps of food into the garbage disposal?
I think it's safe. That's why it's a garbage disposal.
You know, that's what I thought, but as I looked into it, you really should avoid doing that because you're correct. That's what it's there for. That's what you're supposed to use it for. But unfortunately, when a garbage disposal grinds up all these food products, and it can be vegetables, meats, you name it, it forms grease. Like even vegetables, there's oils and grease in there. It's very bad for your drains. That it's actually, my opinion, better you just throw your food scraps out. They decompose, they're organic, and there's no reason to really put them down your drain. Just take an extra minute and put your food scraps in the garbage pail. And even though that's what the garbage disposal is supposed to be used for, not a good idea.
So what do we do if we have a garbage disposal? Just not use it?
You know, as I look into this, I would have to say kind of yeah. Because then people tend to put all sorts of things in there because they know it has the blades. They're coffee grounds, very bad. All sorts of things, very bad, because it grinds it up. It's still going in your drain, so it can clog up your trap. It can coat your pipes. I would say, bad idea.
Okay. It's a good tip.